bet someone was watching that time. Nobody was watching apparently. But I've told.
Why did it disconnect them all?
I don't know. It keeps doing it. I didn't do this on Twitch.
Didn't even do it once. Why did you do it on Twitch?
Maybe I should switch to Twitch because we have done the YouTube live stream now. Many clips of it. Maybe I could switch to Twitch and just say to people, sorry, we're switching now. I have a lot of people to tell because they think YouTube is being annoying. So maybe Twitch is what we need. Maybe I should try Twitch.